Thank you, Mzee George. And at this point in time, I want to take the opportunity to thank the Urban Gold Country Rotary Club, together with Rotary International and all other Rotary clubs around the world. I want to thank Connected by Humanity. I want to thank Banners Without Borders for the tremendous contributions and donations they have given to Lambano Coffee Project. In so doing, you help to preserve the culture of the Bududa community. With your donations, we have been able to improve on the livelihood of the people. Right now, the farmers are able to pulp their coffee using the donated coffee pulping machines and give it more value and gain more value from this coffee. With the spray pumps that the Lambano Coffee Project has been able to donate to the community, they are able to kill the pests, and this allows a better yield. So they are already getting a better yield from their coffee, and this brings about more economic empowerment. So once again, we take this opportunity to thank you for partnering with us as the Lambano Coffee Project. We hope to continue working together with you to push this agenda further. Thank you so much.